Bile is a crucial digestive fluid produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder. It aids in the digestion and absorption of fats and fat-soluble vitamins in the small intestine. When your body does not produce enough bile, it can lead to various digestive issues and overall health problems. Here are the top 7 reasons why your body might not be producing enough bile. 1. Liver disease. The liver is the primary organ responsible for bile production. Conditions such as hepatitis, cirrhosis, and fatty liver disease can impair liver function, leading to reduced bile production. Chronic liver disease can significantly decrease the liver's ability to produce and secrete bile. 2. Gallbladder issues. The gallbladder stores bile and releases it into the small intestine when needed. Gallbladder diseases, such as gallstones, cholecystitis, inflammation of the gallbladder, or gallbladder removal, cholecystectomy, can disrupt bile storage and release, leading to insufficient bile availability for digestion. 3. Bile duct obstruction. Obstructions in the bile ducts, which transport bile from the liver and gallbladder to the small intestine, can hinder bile flow. Common causes include gallstones, tumors, strictures, narrowing of the ducts, and inflammatory conditions such as primary sclerosing cholangitis. These obstructions can result in reduced bile reaching the intestines. 4. Gut dysbiosis. The balance of gut bacteria, known as the microbiome, plays a crucial role in bile metabolism. An imbalance in gut bacteria, dysbiosis, can disrupt the normal recycling and production of bile. Conditions such as small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, SIBO, and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, can negatively affect bile metabolism. 5. Chronic stress. Chronic stress can impact the digestive system in numerous ways, including bile production. Stress hormones like cortisol can interfere with liver function and reduce bile production. Additionally, stress can affect the nervous system regulation of the digestive tract, further impacting bile secretion. Managing bile deficiency. If you suspect a bile deficiency, consult a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and treatment. Management may include dietary changes, such as increasing healthy fats and fiber, taking bile salts or digestive enzyme supplements, and addressing underlying conditions like liver disease or hormonal imbalances. Lifestyle changes like stress management, regular exercise, and maintaining a healthy weight can also support digestive health and bile production. Understanding and addressing the reasons behind insufficient bile production is crucial for improving your digestive health and overall well-being.